Welcome to your Pilates Full Body workout. Oh yes, and congratulations on making it on day 7 of your 7-day transformation challenge. I'm going to reward you today with the most incredible 10-minute workout that is going to get your body on fire, feeling the burn, and most importantly, making you feel incredible with that amazing mindset. Now, the last question I have for you today that I want you to put in the comments is if you are one of our burn members, I want you to put burn in the comments. I want to celebrate everybody who is part of our incredible app, our amazing community of just amazing, amazing women. But first of all, just check out some of these incredible results that they have got using the Burn by Rebecca-Louise app. Of course, you know the drill. Hit that subscribe button and get ready because we are about to get a full body Pilates workout. All right, I've got my ankle weights on, I've got some weights in, maybe even add some bands in. So we got 30 seconds of exercise and we got 15-second rest. So we're gonna mix it up just a little bit for our day 7, and we're talking all things participation. All right, we're gonna roll all the way down to that midway part. Modified version, you can bring your arms over the top of the head to help you bring you all the way back up. If you wanna make it a little bit more challenging, all you gotta do is bring it down to halfway, keep those arms exactly where they are, and then lift all the way up to the top. Press those feet firmly down into your mat. Relax your shoulders, take a nice big smile, 10 seconds left, and all the way up to the top. All right, I've got my timer on my watch as well. Remember, it is 10 minutes, and we are gonna feel absolutely incredible. All right, coming all the way down to the ground, we're gonna take it into a single leg split, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab hold of one of our legs at a time, so we're gonna work a little bit of your upper abs too. So lift that leg up, and here we go in 3, 2, 1, let's exchange over. So really lengthen through. That's it, bringing your chest up just a little bit higher. Modified version, you can always bring your head down to the ground and you can just take those legs halfway. Again, we are getting rid of any excuses. So if you clean up today and you still got a couple of those excuses, you might need to go back to yesterday and redo that, right? To help you throw away all of those excuses. All right, lifting up through your chest, taking it across. That's it, slow and controlled. Tucking your abs in nice and tight. Give me one more and gently release. All right, we're gonna grab hold of your weights. You've got some weights in front of you too. If not, no problem. Some water bottles will also do. We're gonna come all the way down right here and we're gonna take it into a chest press, okay? We're gonna chest press with leg drop as well. So as your arms go straight up, your legs are gonna come down. A little bit of working your brain here too. So relax your head down on the ground and then extend those legs nice and low and then bring those elbows wide out to the side. Keep your legs nice and straight. Point your toes and you're gonna come down as low as you can and then bring it all the way back up again. Nice work, you are halfway there. So we've just got 30 seconds of each exercise. On this final one, we always like to mix it up a little bit inside of the app too, so there is lots of variety. Bring those elbows wide out to the side, and here we go. Hold it here for 3 and 2 and 1 and release. All right, we're gonna take it into a fun little V-sit with our arms being pulsed up and down. So modified version, you're just gonna bring your arms out here. If you wanna make it a little bit more challenging, you can bring your weights right here too. Here we go, so a little bit of an upper body burn here too. Look at those biceps working. So we're talking about participation. A lot of times we take and we take and we take. But I'm telling you, the people that do the best in our community, results-wise, are those people who participate. They participate and they contribute, right? So whether that is replying back to people's messages in our Burn community group, whether that is posting online, they participate and they contribute. And I think that is a massive part of anybody's success. All right, bring those weights back over to the front of your mat, out of the way. We're gonna take it into a V-sit with an elbow tap. So bring both of your feet firm onto the mat. We're gonna lift up through our chest, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna slide back and little tap here from side to side. So a little tap, and then lifting all the way up. Here we go. Inhale through your nose, and exhale everything out. Extend those arms forward, and then take it out to the back. Slow and controlled. Here we go, working your obliques. Modified version, guess what? You just come back as far as you can. If you're already saying to yourself, but I can't do that, you gotta go back to yesterday. All right, here we go. Take it out to the side. Really squeeze that core. Breathe through it. Inhale and exhale. All right, we're gonna stay on our side right here. We're gonna take it into clam shells. So I've got my ankle weights on here right here, but also if you wanna add a little bit more resistance, you can grab hold of one of your weights and we're gonna take it up and down. Here we go, so that's it. So extend that leg out to the side, all the way up, and then working your inner thighs. We have got a full body Pilates on the floor workout today. You don't even have to stand up. You can do it all lying down, all right? Absolutely no excuses for day number 7. All right, and here we go. We've got 10 seconds left on this side. Now try and bring that knee up just a little bit higher. That's it, all the way up, just a little bit higher for 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Now, before we go over to the other side, you're gonna bring that weight right in front of you. We're gonna come over onto our front, and we're gonna take it into a low plank with hip dips. So, modified version, you come up into low plank or come down onto your knees, and you can go from side to side. You want to make it a little bit more challenging, or you just want to give it a go, I highly recommend always just giving something a go. So twisting from side to side, taking a nice big inhale and a big exhale. That's it, dipping from side to side, using your obliques, twisting, and then using your abs and your core to hold you nice and strong. That's it, you've got this. Now look at your hands as if it's giving a bit of a reflection back at you to say you got this. All right, here we go. Remember those words of affirmation for belief. Give me one more. And gently release down. Okay, we're gonna flip over onto your other side. Take those clam shells going down onto your left. So bring those knees together, the weight right on top. We're gonna take it up and down. That's it, just squeeze and release. Nice work, everybody. Here we go. So tap in and out. Lifting up through your chest. Give yourself a nice little breath and say, I got this. We are already halfway through this workout, the last part. And then the fun really begins, right? Every single month we have a brand new challenge inside of the Burn app that you can join. We have loads of programs as well that you can join anytime. And most importantly, we have an incredible community that's gonna keep you on track. All right, here we go. All the way up and then all the way down. Breathe through it with every single rep that you do and gently release. Okay, we're gonna come back onto our front. We're gonna take it into rows. So grab hold of your other weight, or if you've got your ankle weights on, your Burn ankle weights on, you can turn them into your wrist weights. And we're gonna take it into rows, 30 seconds on each side. Really pull that elbow in towards your waist and just smile through it. Here we go. Toning up each muscle one by one, feeling great, and we're gonna participate. So maybe the last 7 days, you've kind of gone through this and you haven't really participated. You haven't told me your name. You haven't told me your star sign. You haven't told me your pet's name, right? You haven't told me anything. The participation is going to kind of keep you on the sideline, okay? It's kind of like, are you going to be playing in the game? Are you going to be the starting 11 or however many there is in the sports team that you watch, right? Relax here. Just rotate your wrist from left to right. Or are you going to stay on the bench, right? Because those people who don't participate or contribute, they're on the bench. The people who are participating, they are the ones playing the game. And they're the ones that get the result. They're the ones that get to score the goal. They're the one that gets to save the goal. They're the one that gets to make the pass. They're the one that gets to make the assist, right? So if you are not playing, if you are not participating, you are going to be on the sideline. And nothing really happens on the sideline. You just watch the people who are actually playing. So maybe it's time that you got off the bench and you started to participate. Here we go. Squeeze in and out. You got this for 3, in 2, in 1, and release. Okay, you're gonna pop those weights right down in front of you. We're gonna stay in that same position. We're gonna do a little bit of booty work. So all you're gonna do is hands directly down onto the ground, and we're gonna take circles, right? Now, if you wanna make this even harder, you can put a weight behind the back of your knee here and squeeze. But again, we've got some ankle weights on here to increase our intensity. All right, that's it. Rotate from side to side. Press down into your fingertips, lifting up through your chest, and knowing that you are going to complete this. You are going to finish the whole 7-day challenge. But that's where it really just begins. This is just like a little introduction to make sure that you know what is available for you and that you stay close to the fire. Give me one more big circle. Hold out for 3, 2, 1, and gently release. Come back onto your booty. Give yourself a nice little smile. Rotate your wrists from left to right. And we're going to take it over to the other side, okay? So same thing again. Bring your hands directly underneath your shoulders. Bring that knee out to the side, and we're going to take it into little circles going outwards. Now keep both of your hips facing down towards the ground. And here we go, just slow and controlled. 20 seconds. It's only 30 seconds that we are doing, so you can do this. Just a couple of minutes left, which means we've got like 4 or 5 exercises, and then we are done. All right, here we go. Breathe. Take that nice little circle. You have got just 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Rotate your hands from left to right. Okay, here we go. We have got a dolphin plank, little knee to chest. So this is gonna be fun. So you're gonna bring your elbows down towards the ground. You're gonna come up right here, and then you're just gonna bring a knee in towards the chest. Modified version, you can do the same right here, but give it a go. Bring your hips up to the sky and bring your knee in towards your chest. Here we go, slow and controlled. Feel the grip through the floor. Feel the intensity. Feel the burn working. Woo, that's it. Now stretch out your legs as you go out to the back. Feel that nice stretch through your hamstrings, and then breathe in and out. Come on, you have got this. Just a couple more exercises left to go, and we are completed. All right, you got this for 3 and 2 and 1, and gently release all the way down. Okay, come back onto your booty. We're gonna take it into some bridge pulses. So grab hold of that band just to add a little bit more intensity. This is our final exercise, my friends. Well, we've got 2 more exercises, but they're both gonna be in this bridge position. So you're gonna come up here, and you're gonna take it into little pulses, out and in. That's it, here we go. Now, make it more challenging. You're gonna extend those arms over the top of your head. Now hold that nice and tight. Press down firmly into your heels. Press those knees out to the side. Come on, you got this. Every single time that you show up, remember the feeling of the attitude, of the energy, of the confidence, of the participation, right? Of the proximity. What is it that you are going to leave with today? And here we go for 3, 2, 1. All right, your final exercise. Here we go. We're gonna bring those feet together this time. Same thing, bring your hips up to the sky, and we're gonna take it into little pulses, working your inner thighs and your glutes. Relax your hands by your side. Come on, crush this. Final 30 seconds. Bring those hips up even higher to the sky. You know, you got this. Come on, inhale and exhale. 20 seconds to go. Press your hips up further. Make this strong. You started this challenge strong, but we are gonna finish together stronger. Here we go. You've got this. Come on, now count down with me for the final 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and gently release. Woo! Amazing work. Take off the band and give yourself a huge round of applause. You did it. You completed our 7-day transformation challenge. But remember, this is just the start. I want to see you inside of our Burn community doing our challenges with us every single month. Maybe you want to get yourself into our positive coaching as well, our positive influencer group coaching. I'll put all of the details below for that too. If maybe something working on your mindset is like, Rebecca, that is what I want to do this year. All right, love you guys so much. I'm so proud of you, and I'll see you in our next workout.